Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this exercise, we will load a external sound. So we start with the new file, and then click new, and then you can choose ActionScript 3, then click OK. Okay. So firstly, you have to make sure that you have a sound. I have a sound, MP3 sound, fine. Okay, and then press F9 to open the action panel. Okay. Okay, so first we will type we will create a new variable var example my sounds. Okay, and the object is sounds. Okay, make sure that when you type the sound, you will change you will the sound will be blue, so equal. So next we will create a new sound. Okay, we create this variable as a sound, and then we create a new sound. Okay, and then we will load the external sound. Okay, we will use a load commands, and then to load the sound, we use a we create a new URL request. Okay, and then following with the brackets, and then the name of your files. So the name of my sound file. Okay, so that we close this first. Okay. Okay, inside the bracket, we will put the name of your sound files. So go back to your sound. Okay, this is my sound. Then copy this one. Okay, and then inside the bracket, by using a string. Okay, don't forget to put MP3 for the extension. And then we will close the bracket. Okay, and then the next step we will play the sound. So we will play this sound. So to play the sound, we will use a play command. Okay. Then you can test Control Enter. Okay. Again, why we didn't why we get error, because we have to save the file first in the same folder of your. Okay, Control S to save. Make sure that you save in the same folder of your sound. Okay, load external sound example. Okay, and then Control Enter. Okay, you can see the sound is loading. It's loaded. So let's try. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.